So hey guys, check what I just picked up for the new TLX. If you remember, I love this company. I used their paddle shifters before on the Accord. It's a new key fob cover. What I like about this is it's 100% real carbon fiber. So it's extremely light, extremely durable, really high quality. So let me go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like here. Okay, so here's what you get. Get one of these little straps here that I'm not going to use. A little screwdriver and the screw to attach it that I'm not going to use. If you wanted to, you could. A little spot to strap it on, bottom of the case. So check this out. Looks really nice. The quality is better than I thought too. It looks identical to those paddle shifters. Real nice design. It's all open on the front, so if you are going to use your buttons, there's nothing to make it hard to do. I love how it has a cutout for the emblem in back. I don't like really when they cover it up, just because it looks more factory having the emblem. So here's the two pieces apart. Really basic. You just throw your fob in there and it snaps shut. I will tell you though, when you put your fob in here, it's really hard to get it back out. So this thing really shuts tight. It doesn't, like some of these cases, when you move them around, they make noises. Not this. This is a solid. So it'll be a pain to open it up to take the, replace the battery. Just want to give you a forewarning. It does hold it really tight. A perfect fit. Check that out. I'm impressed with it. And especially with these cars with the walkway feature and all that, there's no reason to get your fob out of your pocket really. It locks by itself, it unlocks by itself. So you shouldn't really be laying this around anyway, so the quality should stay like this. Shouldn't really scar it up too much unless you drop it. But it's really hard to push. You really have to push on there to snap it shut. I thought it'd be a little looser fitting than this, but look at that. I think they make these too for the Honda Accord, so if you guys want one for the Honda Accord, definitely check it out. They actually make more for the Accord, of course, than this. This is all I found so far. But great quality. If you guys are looking for a nice fob cover, check this out. Not cheap. It wasn't cheap. I think this ran me 30 bucks, $35, and Amazon has it for like 50, I think. And I got this off AliExpress. So you wait a little bit longer, but it's like the same one, same brand, everything. So 30 bucks, AliExpress, 50 something through Amazon. Depends if you can wait a little bit. It took me about 3 weeks to get, so not too bad. I like how it has the little opening there for the light even. Everything's perfectly cut on this too. Really nice. Only thing is, if you guys need to use the valet key, you'd have to take it out of the case. That's the one thing I will say. But I've never used that in my life, you know, but if you do a lot, then this is probably not the case for you, because it does cover all the sides. So you'd have to take it out of the case, change the battery, and to use a valet key. So definitely check that out if you guys are interested. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there. Please like and subscribe. I'll have videos coming up weekly. Appreciate all your support, I do. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care, everybody.